Hey everyone, welcome to Electric Wheelchairs USA. If you're looking for an affordable electric wheelchair in 2025, but don't want to break the bank, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about 5 incredible power wheelchairs that are all priced under $1,000. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Vive Health Compact Power Wheelchair. This chair offers an impressive combination of affordability and performance. With a 220-pound weight capacity and shock-absorbing tires, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It also folds up easily, making storage and travel a breeze. With a range of 12 miles per charge, it's great for everyday use. Next is the Zephyr Transport Light Power Wheelchair. If you're always on the go and need something compact and lightweight, this is the chair for you. Weighing just 89 pounds, it folds up in seconds and is TSA approved for travel. With a range of 12.4 miles, you won't have to worry about running out of power while you're out and about. Next product on the list is the ComfyGo 6011. This lightweight electric wheelchair weighs just 67 pounds and folds in 3 seconds, making it easy to store or fit in most car trunks. With a weight capacity of 265 pounds, it features 2 battery options, a standard 13-mile range or an upgraded 25-mile range. Powered by dual 250-watt motors, it handles various terrains like grass, ramps, and bumpy roads with ease. It's also airline approved, perfect for travel, and includes a 360 joystick for effortless control. If you're looking for a stylish, lightweight option, the ComfyGo X6 electric wheelchair is perfect. At only 57 pounds with the battery, it's one of the lightest power wheelchairs on the market. Powered by dual 250-watt motors, it can travel up to 13 miles on a single charge. Plus, with multiple color options, you can find one that fits your style. And the best part? It's airline approved for easy travel. Here's something exciting. For ComfyGo products, we offer a 7-day free trial. That means you can try out the chair, and if it's a perfect fit for you, you can make it yours. To learn more, just visit our website, and at the top of the screen, click on Free Trial. Last but not least, we have the Rahe RoR Folding Electric Wheelchair. This chair is built to last, supporting up to 300 pounds. With a 15.5-mile range, you can take it on longer outings without worrying about the battery. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, and the rear shock absorption springs ensure a smooth ride over all terrains. Plus, the joystick control is easy to use, and the safety features, like the electromechanical brakes, will give you peace of mind on your journeys. So there you have it, 5 amazing electric wheelchairs under $1,000 for 2025. Whether you need a chair for daily use, travel, or long-distance mobility, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to check the description below for more details on each chair. And if you're ready to get started, call us at 800-682-9444 or visit our website at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.